Baked salmon with lemon butter cream sauce. Ingredients: 6 ounces, 170 grams, skinless salmon fillets. 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, divided. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. 2 tablespoons dry white wine, optional, can sub with 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard. Salt, to season. Cracked black pepper, to season. Cream sauce. 1/4 cup unsalted butter. 2 teaspoons minced garlic. 2 tablespoons dry white wine, can sub with 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Half cup cream, heavy, whipping or thickened. 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 tablespoon fresh chopped parsley, divided. Instructions: heat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a baking dish. Pat the salmon dry with a paper towel. Combine lemon juice, olive oil, garlic and wine together in a small bowl. Rub salmon with the mixture and arrange in baking dish. Season with a good pinch of salt and pepper. Bake for 10-12 minutes, or until salmon is opaque throughout. While salmon is baking, melt butter in a small pot over medium heat. Add the garlic and cook until fragrant, 30 seconds. Pour in the wine and let cook for 2-3 minutes until just starting to reduce. Add in cream and cook until sauce thickens slightly. Take off the heat and stir through lemon juice and parsley. Pour the sauce over the cooked salmon in the dish to mix through the natural pan juices released from the salmon while baking.